Okay. So yesterday we have seen how to configure and all, and how to launch different browser. This is simple Java. So here in sample Java project, we have created these classes. Okay, how to launch Firefox, how to launch IE, and how to launch Chrome. Then after that, we have seen cross-browser testing also. So this one is the actually this one is the just basics, launching the browser. Then after that, navigating to application under test. So those operation we have done. Now we will do this. So first of all, let me change the sample Java project to a sample Selenium script. Okay. So here today we will see what are the web browser command and what are the WebDriver navigation commands. Okay. So how to use WebDriver browser commands and how to use WebDriver navigation command. Okay. So actually, what is WebDriver? Is it a automation tool? Is it a class? Is it a WebDriver? Is it a what we can say interface, or what exactly the WebDriver is? What is a WebDriver? WebDriver is an interface. Okay, and as we know that every interface having a only abstract method or incomplete method, and every interface should have a some implementation class. Every interface should have a some implementation class. Similarly here, so the Selenium WebDriver having a implementation class, having a implementation classes. All those classes we have seen like Chrome driver. Okay, then after that we have seen Firefox driver, Internet Explorer driver, Opera driver. These are the implementation classes for Selenium WebDriver. So today we'll see what are the WebDriver browser command. Okay, what are the Selenium WebDriver browser command? So actually, guys, how will you know that these are the commands of WebDriver? Okay, commands means methods. Okay, so Selenium WebDriver browser command. Browser commands. Okay. So what are the Selenium WebDriver browser commands? How will you know that these are the Selenium WebDriver methods? To know it, very simple. Yeah. To know it, just create reference of Selenium WebDriver. On that reference you will find. Let me create one class, and we'll take the class name is what? WebDriver commands, or else you can say browser commands. Okay, browser commands. You can take a meaningful name, browser command. If you want to take main method, you can take main method also, and finish. Click on finish. Yeah, is it visible to you, or shall I increase the size? To increase the size, just use Control plus. So it will increase the size. To decrease the size in Eclipse, just use Control minus. Okay. So let me increase this size. This size is sufficient to you. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Two folks are waiting. Priyanka, Satya. Yeah. You see, guys. Let's we work on one of the browser that is called. Uh, we'll work on Chrome. Okay. Okay. Chrome driver. So this is Chrome driver. Import this Chrome driver from org opencase selenium.chrome package. Oh, sorry. The Chrome driver, right? And let me create reference of WebDriver. As we know that any interface can hold memory address of an object, of an child class object. Okay, this is the This is the child class. Okay, means this is the child of WebDriver. This is Chrome driver is the child of WebDriver. Actually, this is the implementation class for WebDriver. Chrome driver is the implementation class for WebDriver, and WebDriver is an interface. If you mouse over it on WebDriver, you just mouse over on WebDriver, it will display like icon. This is a, you see, org OpenQA from Selenium WebDriver package. So this information you're giving. So simply on this driver object, if you see driver dot, if you on this reference, if you do driver dot, all the methods of WebDriver or all the methods of this interface will get displayed. So you see, so this is close is the WebDriver method. Then find element is also not file element is and method of web element interface. Then get method is what WebDriver. You see here WebDriver, you can able to see, right? WebDriver. Then get class is object method. Get current URL is WebDriver method. Get page source is WebDriver method. Get title is WebDriver method. Then after that we have a get window handle. Then get window handles. Then after that you have a manage method, navigate method. This is the navigation method, okay, of navigation interface of WebDriver. Like that we have a multiple. So in this session we will look into what? We will look into what? WebDriver browser command. WebDriver browser command. Let's suppose you launch the browser. The moment you launch the browser, you want to maximize the windows of the browser. To maximize the windows of the browser, just use manage method. Okay, just use manage method, driver.manage. What you are going to manage? Windows. What you want to do with window? I want to maximize. Okay, once you maximize the window, let's suppose you want to navigate. Okay, navigation method. If you want to navigate to the particular URL, just use get method. Okay, so where you want to navigate? Let's suppose you want to navigate HTTP here. This is the server name, www.facebook.com. This is the server name where you want to navigate. Okay, once it will get navigate, let's suppose once you will be on this page, you want to know that what is the title of this page. Okay, when you are on this page, facebook.com, so what is the page title? If you want to know page title, simply just use get title method. Okay, this is the web browser command. So the get title method will return you, okay, string object means what? Title of the page. So simply return you page title, page title. So I will store that page title. If you want to display the title of the page, you can display to the console. So I will display. So title of the page is, so that title. Okay, so that page title like this. I will display page title. Now if you want to know that, so what is the currently, what is the URL you are using currently? Okay, what is the current testing URL? If you want to check the current testing URL, just use on that driver reference get current URL. So simply it will retrieve you current URL, and get current URL method will return you string object. Okay, we'll say current URL. What is the current URL? That URL. If you want to display that current URL, you can display the current URL of the page. Okay, simply use current testing, URL of the page is that current URL. Just display that current URL. Okay, make some pages and display that current URL. So like that current URL, it will gives you current title, it will gives you current URL. Similarly, we have a other methods also, other functions, other commands also. What commands are there? So we have if you want to get page source, it will display you page source and return you string. Okay, return you string object source. So actually, if you display the page source, it will display whole page source. Okay, it will display whole page source of the, means simply it will display the page source. Okay, so page source. So simply, so I'm not going to display the page source. I will show you. How to get the like page source is what, if you will display the page source, you will not get is what is the page title and what is the current URL. Okay, so this is the page source. Similarly, if you want to close the browser, okay, if you want to close the browser, we have a close method. This is one of the browser command, close method. Okay, it will close the browser, or else you can use, if you want to close the browser current drive where the current driver instance is there, and you want to close that window only. Okay, there are two functions. Okay, we have a close, to close the browser window where the driver instance is there, and we have a quit method. Okay, quit all the browser window which has opened by the driver instance, so that is the difference between them. Okay, so simply, if you use driver.close method, it will close the current browser window where the driver instance is there. So how many functions we have seen? Okay, page title, current URL, page source, and driver. Similarly, if we have, let me check, is there any function driver dot just use close we have seen. So get we have seen, get current URL, get page source, get title. So this is the like, and we have a quit method also. Okay, so as we have driver dot quit. So but what is the driver dot quit? Quit is what, you can use one of them. You can use driver dot close, or else you can use driver dot quit. Okay, driver dot quit. So all other methods are, so if you see, all other functions are equals are a object class methods. If you create any class object, any Java class object, this equals method is available for that. Okay, this find element is web driver. Okay, web element interface method. Okay, so this is what web element is, the child interface of web driver, and this web element is the method of web element interface. Similarly, we have a other method. Get class is the object class method. Similarly, we have a other methods. Okay, so we are not looking to other commands. We are just looking to browser command easily. These are the browser command. Okay, guys. You know, before going to launch the browser, we should have to set system variable path. How to set system variable path? Just use system.set property. System.set property. Otherwise, you will get illegal set exception. Which browser, with which browser you are working? We are working with WebDriver, and the browser name is what? Chrome.driver. And where the browser is there? The browser is current working directory. We have drivers folder. In that we have a driver.exe. Here the driver we have kept. If you want to check, so we have a drivers folder in current working directory. Under that, Chrome driver.exe. You can see here. Am I clear? You can see here, Chrome driver.exe. Set the system variable path here. This statement will launch the browser. This statement will maximize the window of the browser. This statement will navigate to the Facebook. This statement will get the title of the page. Okay, this statement will get the current URL. Like that, we have written the script. Let's get started. Let me execute this script. Just write git run as Java application. Am I clear? So page source, in next run, I will tell you how, when we display the page source, what exactly it will display. Okay. Am I clear now? You get it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you see, browser got started. So actually, it's launch the browser. First, it will launch the browser, then it will maximize the window. Okay, it's maximize the window. Then it will navigate to the facebook.com. Once the Facebook page will get load, so what is the current title? It's loading here. Facebook login or sign up. This is the title of the page. Facebook login or sign up. Okay, it will get the title of that page. First of all, it will load the page. And what is the testing URL? The testing URL is what? Facebook.com. It will retrieve the URL also. And you see, and it was close the browser. You see, title of the page is what? Facebook login or sign up. It's retrieving the Facebook title, Then current testing URL of the page is what? https www.facebook.com. Then after that, what are the commands we have used? The commands we have used, page source, the current URL we are getting, page source we are not displaying. It will get the page source, but we are not. Then after that, we are quitting the browser. It will quit the browser. Okay. So if you use close method also, the close method also quit the browser. But there is a small difference between close and quit. So in next example, I will let you know. Okay. Now you see, if you display this page source, let me run Control F11. Once you start it, it will retrieve the page source and it will display whole page source of that page, whole page source of Facebook login page. We started the browser. So during testing, guys, when we test the application, whatever application is under test, during application under test, these functions is what, or these commands of WebDriver is very crucial. Where exactly on what kind of page you are, what is the testing URL you are currently testing, and after that, you can check what is the page source of that page if you want to verify that anything on that page. You see, so total HTML page it's displaying on that. You see, this is the page source of that page. Getting it like that? Am I clear? Am I clear now?
Yes, sir.
So this is, first one is this line, okay. This is used to set up system variable path. Okay, set up system variable path for third party browser. Okay, third party browser. What is this? So this will launch the Chrome browser and initialize WebDriver reference variable. Okay. Okay, then after that it will maximize the window. It will maximize the and then it will navigate to facebook.com. Then so this line will hit the title of the page. Okay, where the driver instance is currently present or available. Where the driver instance is currently present or available. Okay, so we are displaying the page title. It will hit the current URL of the page where the driver instance is available, and will display the title. Then after that, so simply retrieve the page source where driver instance is present, and we display the page source. It will close the browser window. It will close the browser window where driver instance is Always remember that wherever the driver instance is present, there only the driver instance will perform the action. Okay. And what is quit? What is the difference between close and quit? We'll take in next example. Am I clear now? Yes, guys. Let's go ahead and we'll check what is the difference between, these are the WebDriver browser command. Close. Okay. Close versus quit. So these are the two browser commands. So what is the difference between close and quit? Okay, what is the difference between close and quit? We'll take, like, practically we'll go. Okay, practically we'll go. So this much of line will copy, and let me create one class, like I will take close and quit command, close and quit commands. Okay, so let's, within this, so instead of writing this again and again, I just copy it. Okay, Control A, Control Shift F to manage it properly. Okay, so it will launch the browser, it will maximize the window, and then, so instead of navigating to Facebook, we'll navigate Naukri.com. When you navigate to Naukri.com, you see, let me execute this application. When we navigate to Naukri.com, it will open parent window, as well as it has having some child window also. Okay, so with the parent window, it will open few more child window. So when we use close and quit, what exactly the difference you will find? That difference we'll take in this example. So it's maximize the window, then it navigate to Naukri. When we goes to the Naukri page, okay, first it will load the Naukri.com page. This is what we're looking for, and it's open 3, 4, 5 like that, multiple child window. Okay, you see, this is the one of the child, this is the second child, this is the third child, and this is fourth child. So almost it has opened multiple child window. Okay, still it is loading. Once it will completely load, all this child window will be loaded. Okay, automatically all this child window will be loaded. So this much of child window it will open. Okay, so when you perform close operation, when you will perform close operation, so this is what, when you open the, like, when you navigate to the application under this, so let me close all the browser. You see how many, this is the parent window. Okay, this is the parent window. So this parent window, with this parent window, it has opened 4 child window. This is first. Okay, this is second, then third one, and we have fourth one. These are the 4 child window it has opened. So let me close all this manually. So explicitly I have closed. So what exactly happened here? When we navigating to this page, so with this parent window, this is the parent window. When we open this window, browser window, with this window, some child window is opening on this. Some child window is opening like this, first, second, third, fourth. So when we use close operation here, the close method will close the browser window where the driver instance is there. Currently, our driver instance is here on this main page, and the driver instance is not there on child page, on child place. And when you use close method, only the main browser window will get closed. Only the main browser window will get closed, and it will not close the child window which has opened by this driver instance, So actually, when we use driver.close method, it will close only the window where the driver instance is available. Only the window where the driver instance is available. Okay, but if you use driver.quit method, okay, quit method, So it will close all the browser window which has opened by this driver instance, which has opened by this driver instance. Let's check for first driver.close method. What is the behavior? So what is the behavior for this driver.close? Control F11. So when you use driver.close, you can observe here only the parent window will get closed where the driver instance is there. So in interviewer will ask this question. Okay, be careful about this by explaining this question. This, let me close this here. You see, it's navigating here. Maximize. So still loading. Huh? So loaded all the page, and you see, did you observe it? Only the parent window has closed, not a child one. You see, all the child four windows are still open. Is it? Can you able to see now? Now this is what close method. But if you use I close manually, okay. So instead of using close method, let's close commands. I will use quit commands. So and let's check what is the behavior of quit. It's loading. So first of all, it will load all the page. Once the page will get load completely, then it will quit all the browser window which has opened by the driver instance. Observe carefully, huh? It's taking time here. Can you able to see any window, browser window?
No.
Is it? Yes, that is the difference between. Okay. So just write down close versus quit. Okay. Close will close command. Okay. Close command will close the browser window where where the driver where the driver instance is currently present presents, whereas whereas quit command will close all the browser window which has opened by driver instance. So that is the basic difference between them, which has opened by the driver instance. Am I clear now? So this much of simple it is. Yeah. Let's go ahead with next commands, navigation command. Okay, navigation commands. What are the navigation commands we have in Selenium? We have a force command. Okay, four navigation command in Selenium. So what are those? WebDriver navigation command. We are looking WebDriver navigation command. Okay, just don't say only navigation. Web WebDriver navigation commands. Okay, so we have a four navigation command. Okay, so we have four. What are those? Navigate dot to. This is the first command. It will take string object. Okay, it will take an input as string object. Okay, then after that we have navigate dot back command. So we have navigate dot forward command, and we have navigate dot refresh command. If you want to refresh the page, these are the four command. Okay, so if you are on any page, if you want to like any page, like if you want to forward, backward, if you want to do those things, then you can use this navigation WebDriver commands. Okay, so let's go practically. So let's we take this line of code, this two line of code. Okay, close all this. Yes, saved it, and right click on basic seleniums, go to new, create class, and this is what navigation commands. Okay, so navigation commands, WebDriver navigation commands. Yeah, in simple, this two line, control A, control C, manage it. Write this, set up the system variable path. Okay, then maximize the window. Once you maximize the window, let's see, instead of driver.get, we will use navigate method. Driver.navigate.to. This is the navigation method. Okay, navigation command. So it will take one object which was string. So I will pass the URL http://www.facebook.com. Once you will be on Facebook, what I will do, I will try to get the title of this Facebook. Okay, driver.get title. I will get the title. So let me open this Facebook. I will show you what are the operation we are going to perform. So we'll open the Facebook, we'll get the title. So first we'll navigate to Facebook. The browser is quite slow here. Okay, once you're on this page, so you can click on forgot account. You can click on forgot account. We'll click on forgot account. So it will navigate to the next page, forgot account page. Okay, once we'll be on, what happened to network? Yeah, so we will be on this forgot account page. We'll get the title of this page. Again, we'll get back to this page. Okay, once you will be on this page, again we'll get back. Again we'll get back. Again we'll get forward. Again we'll get forward, and then we'll refresh the page. Once this page will get load, again we'll refresh the page. You know how to refresh? Just click on this. To refresh this page, we'll click on this. We'll refresh the page and then finally we'll quit the browser like this. This operation will perform. To perform this operation, so first we'll navigate to this Facebook page and then we'll get the title. To perform click operation, okay guys, so it will navigate to Facebook page, okay, and we'll retrieve the title. This statement is what to retrieve the title. Once you retrieve the title, to perform click operation, we can perform click operation in Selenium in multiple ways. Okay. So sorry, we can identify that web element and we can perform click operation by using click command. Okay. So how to perform? First find the web element. Okay, on that page, when we go to this, there is a forgot account link. There is a forgot account link. Will perform click operation on that link. Just find that web element. Driver dot just use find element. To find that web element, we'll find that web element and then we'll click on that by using that link test, by the partial link test or link test. Let it will take link test. What is the link text on that page? On this Facebook page? Did I close that page or no? This is quite so. So whatever link we will take, so we perform click operation on that. Will perform which operation? Click operation. There. So simply it will perform what operation? Click operation on the web element which you located. Okay, so whatever web element which we will locate, it will perform click operation there on that. So let me go back to the page. So this is the page and this is the link test. Okay, just copy this link test, guys. Copy this link test as it is and use here. Okay, by using this link text, we are performing click operation. Once you will perform click operation, so once you will perform click operation, it will goes to the forgotten account page. This is the forgotten account page. Once we will be on this page, again we'll get the title of that page. Again, we'll get the title of that page, forgotten account page. Let me get the title. Okay, again, once you get the title, I want to navigate back. How to do? Just use driver dot navigate dot back method. So it will navigate to Facebook. This one, it will navigate to Facebook. When you use back method, so it will navigate back to previous page. Previous page. So once you will be on previous page, again get the title. Again, so retrieve the title. Okay. So again navigate forward. Okay. Driver dot. Again we have a navigate dot forward method. So once it will navigate you forward on forgot password page. Once again, okay, on Facebook we are looking. Again on that page you can get the title. Again on that page you can get the title, and finally once you get the title, you can refresh the page. Okay, we can refresh the page. How to refresh? To refresh the any page, just use driver dot navigate dot. We have a refresh command. We have a refresh command. It will refresh the. So it will refresh the page where the driver instance is present. Okay, and then finally once you refresh the page, it will perform very quick this operation will perform very quickly. Okay, driver dot I will perform close. So all these operation will perform very quickly. For that, what we will do, let it be, we'll observe quickly. Okay, save it, control A, control shift F, manage it, and let's control F11. Let me run. Observe all the commands quickly. Okay. Once this page will get load, it will get a title, then it will perform click operation on forgot account. So you will be on forgot account page. It will get the title, it will get back, again it will get forward, again refresh this page, refresh, and then it will close. Got it?
Yes, sir.
First time you are on this page, then you are on forgot account page, you are getting the title, again you are back to the previous page, again you back to the forgot account page, you refresh this forgot account page finally, and you close down. These are the navigation command. Actually, these are the navigation command we will use in Selenium. Okay, so if you want to perform some navigation from one page to another page, you want to refresh the page, then you want to perform some other like uh, other action, different back, forward, and refresh action, then you can perform this. So one more question is here. What questions? So we are having a get method to navigate to the application under test. Then why here we are using navigate.to method? So is there any difference between driver.get method and driver.navigate.to method? That we will see in next example. First, this right now navigation commands, web driver navigation commands. Am I clear? Yeah, write down difference between. Next, these are the four commands we have looked. WebDriver navigation command. Now write down difference between driver.get, and driver.navigate.to. Driver.navigate.to. Yes or no? Methods. These two methods. What is the difference between driver.get and driver.navigate.to? Okay. Yeah, right. So driver.get method is used to open driver.get method is used to open an URL, and it will wait and it will wait and it will wait till the whole page gets loaded gets loaded. Okay, in next line, right? webdriver will wait webdriver will wait until the page has fully loaded until the page has fully loaded fully loaded before returning control to your test or script. Before returning control to your taste or script. Taste or script. For example, driver.get, we use http :www.facebook, like that we'll use. Okay, for driver.get method. Okay, under this write down like driver.navigate.to. So while driver.navigate.to method, while driver.navigate.to method navigates to an URL, navigate to an URL, okay, URL, and it will not wait till the whole page page gets loaded. It maintains the browser history. It maintains the browser history. Okay, it maintains the browser history and cookies. So we can use forward and backward button. Forward and backward button to navigate between the page between the pages during the coding of test case. For example, we use driver.navigate.to. Then we will use driver.navigate.back method. Then we will use driver.navigate.forward method. So actually we are looking the difference between these two only, but I'm writing these methods also. If you don't want to write, don't write. Okay, just we are looking the difference between driver.get and driver.navigate.to method. You get it? What is the difference between them? Am I clear the difference between them, folks?